Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us for a very special installment of our ongoing TV design initiative, and this time around Kenny and his team have created an exclusive software sale landing page layout which is only available to lifetime members or those who take advantage of our 25% off Black Friday deal. So this is the largest discount on Elegant Themes memberships that you can get. It happens once a year, so make sure that you check the link in the description below, but you'll want to act fast because this will expire really soon. And let's get back to the layout. So this exclusive software sale landing page layout comes with stunning section dividers and high quality illustrations. So let's get to it and let me show you how you can use it. So to use the new software sale landing page layout on your own Divi website, you'll first need to download it from our blog. And if you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, check the video description for a link to the blog post. And that blog post is called How to Create Dynamic Pricing Tables with Divi. So you can locate it in the Divi Resources category as well. So once you've downloaded the zip folder, you can go ahead and locate it in your downloads folder, and then you can go ahead and unzip it. And once you do, you will find two new folders in here. So go to the imports folder, and over here you can find the JSON file. So go back to your WordPress website, go to Divi library. And over here you can import and export layouts. So go to the import tab over here, and you can simply drag the layout to the import tab over here, and then click on import Divi builder layouts. So this will take little to no time for it to upload to your Divi library, and then you can get started. Go to pages, add a new page. Give your page a name. Enable the Divi Builder and switch over to Visual Builder right away. Then you'll have three options. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to click on the purple button over here. And then we'll go to our Save Layouts, and over here you can find the layout that you've uploaded. So simply click on it. And this will change the layout of your entire page. So this is the look and feel that you can expect from this stunning layout. So go ahead and play around with Divi's built-in options and create stunning web design using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. Thank you for tuning in. We hope that you're enjoying our Black Friday deal and all of the special freebies that we've created to go along with it. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.